All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry I haven't uploaded in like 4 days. Didn't work on Friday, didn't work on Monday yesterday because it was like 115 degrees. So I'm very glad I got the day off. So today they sent me to a different job site for one day because my other coworker had to go do an emergency something. So went to this warehouse and did some piping, drove around in aerial lift all day, hanging pipe from the ceiling, turning these pipes down the rack, turning the pipes off of the rack down, just floating there. So yeah, that's what I worked on all day. I'm not sure what these pipes are going to be for exactly. They're 1.25 inch. So basically just worked on hanging strut racks and piping 1.25 inch and also a 1/2 inch. It's kind of hard to see, but I got 3 of them done and almost the 4th one done. So yeah, that was basically my day. So anyways, all right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Nice, short, and sweet. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help out the channel. Love to see you guys back in the next video. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or live streams. And I also am gonna upload a house update video, so make sure to tune into that if that's something you're interested in. I'm gonna give you guys some more updates on the house, updates on my life, updates on the roommate, all that good stuff. So yeah, check that out. It's like probably gonna be like 2 or 3 minutes after this video. So yeah, thanks guys. I'm just trying to stay cool with the heat. If you know anything about anything right now, I think the whole world is on fire. So yesterday was like 115 degrees. Sunday was like 115 degrees. Today was down to 90, so thank the Lord for that. I never thought I would say thank the Lord for 90 degrees, but I'm very happy about that. So I got to work inside today, so that was nice. Recovering from my sunburns nicely. My arm is pretty much brown right now. So yeah, everything's going good. Had a great weekend hanging out with my friends. So yeah, everything is going good. Got the AC been on like full blast for like 3 days straight at like 72 degrees. So really happy that I have AC. Otherwise I would probably have been dead by now. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll be back to regular videos. I'll be back to the regular job tomorrow, back at the waterfront, pulling wire, and working on getting the lights ready for power on the walkway lighting. So anyways, look forward to that. I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Actually, that's a lie. I will see you in the house update, and then I'll see you tomorrow. God bless, guys. Peace out.